Let's see. Paano pa pala kanina open isa? Wait, open another one. So, yeah. I hope my stream is okay. How do I see my life here? There you go. Hello, mic test. Why is that there's a delay in my stream? Alright, so let's start. Okay, saan na ba yun? Sige pa natin siya dito. Yan. Then let's push it a little bit here. There you go. Kaso baka sabihin ni TikTok, ino-obstruct ko yung aking webcam. Kita na lang pala. Okay, so I need to try to figure out this one. Okay, dito ba tayo mag-start? So once I got the LO, so LO, and then I need to repeatedly do this, no? Okay. So this is the first time I encountered this algorithm. So it's going to be a bit hard for me to figure to do this. So we got this one. I got the LORI. Okay, so once we got this one, we will try to merge this two. I-unwrap lang natin siya. So, dapat pala hindi na siya character, no? Okay, I think may mali ako doon. Oh, I see. Alam ko na to. So, since tuple, wait lang. This one is pair and then p size. Let's call it p size. What then? Bigla naging kasi tuple siya dito. Let pair str. Interesting. Bakit ganun yung pair? Ito nga. Okay, so let's see. I think this one should not be a... Probably let's turn this one to string. And I cannot make this one a string slice because if I make this one a string slice, I will have a borrow checker problem here in this if statement. So I have no choice to string. Okay, so we got the pair LOW. Now, how do we replace the LO? The LO there. And hashmap ba talaga yung kailangan ko? Kasi I think hashmap is the best. The best solution for this, so that mas madaling look up in since O of n siya instead of vector na O of 1 pala tong hashmap, while vector is O of n. How do we eliminate this one? So meaning ba nito is I need to iterate to the pairs. Since once I got the so I need to replace the pair. Is there something like this one? Remove. Oh, I see. Meron na pala nito. Okay. So removes a key from the map, returning the value. I see. Ito, this one. Pwede pala to. So this is my I think kailangan ata na own variable to. Expected string found string. Okay. Now, what's the problem here? Cannot borrow pairs because as mutable because it's already borrowed as mutable. Huh? What does that mean? Cannot borrow pairs because it's also borrowed as mutable. Dahil dito. Dahil ba dito? Interesting. Bakit ganun? Hindi ko matatanggal siya. Cannot borrow pairs as mutable. It is actually mutable. because it's also borrowed as immutable. Immutable? Wait. Dahil yata dito. No. Pairs yung pinag-uusapan eh. Paano siya nag-immutable? Dito. Immutable borrow occurs here. So this one should be iter mute. Okay. Goods na siya. So let's see kung anong mayayari. Okay na tayo error. Ano sabi dito? Expected mute size found mute size. What? Expected double ampersand mute size because of what? Ano ba to? Bit 1 lang siya. Kasi ito B1. Ang weird naman. Hindi ko gets kung bakit kailangan double ano siya. Kasi A, so when I access A is a reference and I'm going to access the mute size 1 which is okay, double reference na siya. Isn't that the same as this? B, reference of mute size, U size. So dapat same lang din sila. I'm so confused. First borrow, later use here. I think may mali ako dito. This way, ito siya. Para wala masyadong gagawin. Oh, this one. I think I know now. Maybe this is the one that I need. Remove entry. Let's try this one. Pair the owned. Hello, it's okay. Okay, so we got here. It needs to. Medyo weird. Okay, so it needs a type of queue, a reference of type of queue. Wait, where did I get that? So okay, same. What the hell? This one is immutable here. Then if I did this, I will get here. So maybe, what if I the reference this one? the problem here is CMP is taking a reference self while P so most likely I will get a reference mute size. Yeah, pod mute size, which is okay. Aren't these two the same? So what the linters say is expected mutable size, double reference. How do I call? I'm so confused. No, I cannot do this. Yeah, I still get it. Oh no, I need to do that thing. Okay, so for the sake of moving forward, let's do this other way. Either filter. Let's filter. Then let's filter this B, and then it's U size. Now I'm going to anyways, I will have the B is not equal to there. Oh shoot, why am I doing arrow notation? Now I got pairs, so I can remove this one now. Now this one is still a hash map of U size. Maybe I should be doing this instead. But according to ChatGPT, so LO, so I will have LO now instead of L and then O. Okay. So okay. This is interesting. Okay, so here I have the pairs, right? And then I will have the iterations of characters here. Most likely I need to map this one in string na. So that I don't need to do string this. So here I can do the iteration. So always process the pairs. Okay. Because this is my initial, right? Then I split them into white space and then convert them into characters. Now this is the function, this is the logic that I need to reuse. So this one is more of get pairs. And let's have an items of an iterator. Wait, how does it implement iterator item? Okay. With an item of string. Yep. Okay, so we have it here. And then let's have a mutable of pairs. Of string. Then this one will return. Okay, so what's the implementation for applicable? I as iterator. Okay, this is interesting. Wait, I think may na-miss ako dito. Applicable traits iterator. Wait, how do I implement applicable iterator? Thanks, Byron. Yeah, I need to grind. Okay, I think. But I need an iterator that is pickable so that I can pick on the next, so that I can build the pairs. But how do I implement? I cannot. Core traits iterator. It's already creates an iterator which uses pick and std iter pickable. So meaning ba, so does it mean that I need to pickable std traits std iter trait, this one. But this is a struct. Ayun eh. Parang may kailangan ako kailangan kong gawin mo ng ganito. O ganun din siya eh. Weird naman. Anyways. So ganyan na lang gawin ko. We need to make it this one mutable. Alright, solve. Okay, so I'm going to pass. Yep, ano lang. Medyo madami kasing ginagawa and also I need to learn this in a, kailangan ko pabilisin yung pag-aaral ko ng LLM. Para ma-start, gusto ko kasi ma-startan ulit yung coding assistant na tinatry ko i-develop. Pero I'm not sure kung magiging success ako dun sa gusto kong i-develop. Pero I think yun yung use case ko to learn deeper sa LLM. So, kaya nag-grind ako. Okay, so meron na tayong iterator and then we map it to string. So, okay lang na hindi mo na pickable to. We just do this first. Ano ba to? Generate pairs. And then it takes an iterator kahit di mo na siya ganun. And then the pairs. Mutable pala to. Now, we can delete this. Let's try to run one. Oh shit, meron ako error. Saan ang galing yan? Ano naman to? Okay, this is a reference of okay. So, hindi na siya double reference. Okay, meron tayong pairs dito. Hindi ko pa pala nasa-settle yung I think gawin type alias na nga natin to. Oops. Yun. Okay, so para di ganun kada ano. Ano naman nang meron dito? Value type cannot be built from iterator over elemental type boolean. Huh? I don't get it. Alam ko na kasi. I-map ko lang ulit siya. Mga kailangan natin naka mount. Ba't naging boolean siya, no? Oh, kasi gets ko na. I get it. Dapat filter lang to nga, no? Then now I need to map it again. Okay, so meaning na-filter ko na siya. Hash map value cannot be built from an iterator of element. Huh? Dahil ba't nakatuple to? Ay, tama naman. So, kailangan ko silang gawin ganun ba? Arte naman nun. Or pwede ba inner? Wala siyang inner, no? Ulitin ko na naman. Alright. So, okay. So, wala na yung LO. So, wala na yung LO. Now, we can now push the insert the pairs. Pwede natin siya insert dito. Pairs. Pair. And then the value. P size. I think this one should be 1. Okay, I think dito magpa-generate tayo ng pairs dito. Medyo magulo pa. Anong language? This is Rust programming language. Okay, so nagawa na natin. Ito. So, okay na si... Hindi, binalik ko lang yung LO ulit eh. Ano ba yan? Pairs that... dapat di ko makita yung LO dito. Ito. So, yung new pair ko pala dito. Let new pair. Pair 1, 0. Pair 1. Medyo mahaba mo na method gagawin ko. Optimize ko na lang mamaya. Kailangan ko man na mabuo yung logic. New pair. Kailangan? Okay. Oh, I see. Ganun pala mangyayari doon. Tapos, kailangan kong gawin, once na makuha ko yung pairs, I need to make this one into keys. And then map it again. Then, key, and then oh shit. Alam ko na kung bakit. Naka-pair nga pala siya. So, nawala yung pair na LO. So, meaning, I need to reconstruct again yung mga itong characters. kasi pinair ko sila, no? So, mangyayari dito, ako i-build ulit yung mga characters. I see. Dito natin. So, hindi siya keys. Cars tayo. No characters. Vector of new. For each in pairs, either. Actually, we just need the keys lang dito. Wait, bakit ganun siya? Characters that insert. Ay, push pala. P that 0. That P push P dot 1. So, hindi pala insert a new pair. Kailangan pala natin lagay dito. Pair 1, pair. Okay, so we got again T LO. So we got the LO. Shit, I think I know. Guys, thank you for the like. Bakit win naman yung napunta dito? Kailangan ko siyang i-adjust to alphabetical. Okay, I think kailangan kong gawin dito is mukhang dito i-hash set ko muna sila for the characters. Tsaka ako sila gagawa ng pairs. Hindi pwede yan. Kasi hindi ko makukuha yan. LO. Dito dapat makuha ko yung mga pair dito agad. Interesting tong to. Pero nag-iiba-iba kasi yung aking. Ayun, LO siya sa iba. LO. Every runtime iba siya. So, dapat hindi siya ganito. So, ibig sabihin, kasalanan to ng hashmap ko. Kasalanan siya ng hashmap ko. Mukhang kailangan ko muna gawin siya as hash set muna. So, hindi ko muna siya gagawa ng count. Or I mean, I think siguro i-vector ko pala muna siya. Kaya muna natin ito. Kaya natin mag-generate muna ng pairs. Which is a vector. So, I think kailangan natin mag-generate nito. Well, gagamitin natin to as... So, push lang tayo na magpo-push. I'm using Rust. So, push lang natin to. Kaya muna tayong counting here. So, kung madami, di madami. Pero parang hindi yata maganda tong ano na to, solution na to. Kailangan ko ma-preserve yung order. Using hash map will not preserve the order. So I need to use a vector. Para matayang, namang ordered hash map, no? Yeah. I need B3 map. Okay. Learning second year. So this one B3. I guess I'll use B3 na lang pala gagamitin ko. Okay, para hindi na ako mag-change. Ano pang gusto kong gawin? Nawala ako Tanggalin natin. Kaya natin yung vector na to. So, I need the fundamentals talaga. Kaya replay natin itong pairs. Now, let's do the B3. So, very rare ko kung gamitin itong B3 map na to. Okay, so mukhang it kind of preserve the order. Okay. Now, I guess if we have it here, we can now have these pairs. So we have the characters. We can now push the Thank you for the follow. Good morning sa inyo, guys. Okay, V ang nakuha ko. How come LO? Dapat yung meron ako. Kasi dapat unang pair ko is LO eh. Yeah, this is my first pair. If I'm going to print this. Medyo weird to. Yeah, LO, OW. Pero, this should be, tapos V yun nakuha ko as na max. I see now. I think alam ko na kung bakit. Because of this iterator, I guess. Hello, Wizu Hayashi. Okay, so here, maxed by. So probably, ang kailangan ko dito is sorting. But I think I cannot sort a map. Okay, so this is going to be hard. What I can do is make this one as a vector. Then, yeah, so that I can get the pair. Because there's no way of sorting this. So max by is just going to there's no way I can sort this. Max by key. Returns the element that gives the maximum value from the specified function. If several elements are equal maximum, the last element is returned. Yeah, because here V is the last element that has the, because LO, OW, and WE are the pairs that has the that has equal occurrence. But since based on the documentation, I think this is the same as by max by. The last key will be returns the element that gives the maximum with respect to. If several elements, the last is returned. Yeah, so V is the last. But according to ChatGPT, I get the first muna. No? Does it matter? I think let's try not try natin. What if I get V instead of I think what if I use instead of LO? Okay, it's still valid. Pwede rin pala. So I don't need pala na I don't need to convert this one into vector. Hey, Suda. I cannot read the entire. Sudan Goding Harini. Hey, here we get the character, so we will need to get pairs again. So we need to make this one an iterator. And then we keep looping in this part. Okay, so if we apply here, but how do we detect if there are no more changes? how do we know if we need to stop? Target vocabulary size. Most common. BPE keeps merging until vocabulary reaches a mixed merge count. Frequency threshold. Most frequency pair is at. Okay. No pair appears more than twice. Okay. More mergeable. So, ang most widely used is the target vocabulary size. So meaning, what does it mean? So if I'm going to do this, okay, more memory. Yeah, attention complexity. Oh, and scored pala to. Oh no, may mga ganito pa. Stop at end there. Okay. Yeah, natulog naman ako. Actually, maaga ako natulog eh. Tulog ako around 12 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to use the target vocabulary size. So I will keep looping. But let's say my target vocabulary size already exhausted. I mean the tag one is greater than the exhausted for those words. Anong walang pasok? I'm already working. May work ako mamaya. So, at this point, no per frequency. So, target will naturally 10 minutes early. I see. Okay. So, may counting pa pala akong gagawin dito later on. Target vocabularies. Okay, let's see. Size na lang tayo. And then, let's say 20. Okay. So, ito lang yung initial. No? Pero paano kaya i-merge to dito sa part na to? So, nakuha ko na ba lahat ng pairs dito? Yeah, so here. So, mag-get pair ulit ako dito. So, yung pairs ko, mari-replace ulit siya dito. So, itong characters na to, and I think this one should not be called as characters. This one should be items na lang. And nandito pa lang ako sa tokenization. So, I'm studying byte pair encoding. Medyo ano pa siya, I'm not sure kung anong chapter yung fine-tuning. So, meron kasi akong pina-follow na book. Itong book na to. So, nasa chapter 2 pa lang ako. Siguro mga chapter 4 or 5 siguro yung fine-tuning. If I remember it correctly. Wait, characters. Oh, okay. So meaning pala nito, mag-reset yung pairs ko dito. Tama pala. Wait. I think may mali yata ako dito. So dito, andito yung pairs. Tapos here, ito yung items.iter ko. What the hell? Nangyari dito. Items.iter. Now, we need to have the... Kailangan ma-reset to eh. Code muna tayo. Medyo challenging to ano na to. Immutable. Now, problem here is required by mount on this call. So mukhang kailangan ko i-reset nga ito. So itong pairs na to. I see. So mukhang mangyayari dito is i-reset ko nga yung pairs na P3 map. Tapos itong iter na to, expected iters tend to be an iterator. It yields, okay. Rust. Okay, meron na tayo nito. And then, before natin siya gawin dito, try natin muna i-check ito. Pusin lang natin itong part na to. Vocabulary size. If target vocabulary size is equals to 0, break na natin siya. Else, target vocabulary size minus 1. Pero hindi yun yung tamang logic. Gusto ko lang lagay. Parang hindi siya mag-endless loop. Okay, we have a pair new. Cannot mutate immutable pairs. Immutable? This one. Okay. Okay. Revise pairs pala dapat. Dami kong very unoptimized tool. Meron tayo line 34. So nag-return na siya ng, pero bakit kaagad siya nag-return? Marami na siyang beses. Ito yung nabuo niya. That's kinda interesting. Tapos ER. I see. Mukhang yung nabuo ko dito sa revise pairs na to, mali yata ako sa logic. think may mali ako dito. Minutes. So, may ERES. Kamali nga siya. So, dapat dito, ito yung pairs ko, ano? Tapos, dito. Ito yung mga characters ko. So, this is the items. Yeah. So, dapat wala. Hindi mag-occur ulit tong E na to. And then, why there's an LO here? May LO pa din siya. May LO pa din siya dito. Dapat wala na to eh. Revise pairs pala to. Sorry. So, wala na siyang LO. Meron pa din. Hindi niya natanggal yung not equal to parang may mali ata. Yeah. Dapat wala na tong LO. Oh no. Oh no. So that's why may LO pa siya. Let's print the initial pair so that I can also have visualization here. Alam ko na. Shit. I'm looking at the wrong pairs pala. Ang nakuha kong pair is WE. So, dapat wala siyang WE. Then, here, if I'm going to convert this one again into characters, dapat hindi na isang beses na mag-exist yung hash set pala dapat. Okay, so parang hindi yata tama ito. I think may mali ako. Mukhang hindi kailangan gawing characters ulit siya. Since na-pair ko na siya, mukhang nagandun lang talaga yung pairing niya. Yeah, I think wala to. Itong part na to. Ang nangyari dito is Narito ako. Then, na magiging new pair is LOW, ano? So, kung we, LO, so dapat ito, we and then R na yung next pair niya. LOOW, where? So, ganun dapat yung mangyari. Ito kasi, since ito yung new item niya, yeah, I think mali ito. Mali yung logic. Huh. Okay. Para ako nag-delete code kaya pala sinabing complex tong algorithm na to. So meron tayong ER, which is ito na siya. Initial pairs natin, ERES. Parang di siya organized, no? So, sa initial pairs, ito nangyari. Hindi pa rin siya ordered. Mukhang vector yung gagawin ko dito. Okay. So, I see. For pair generation, mukhang kailangan ko talaga i-generate muna yung pairs so that I can still preserve the order. Patay isa pang function, generate pairs. Vector of shoot. Gawin ko lang itong generate pairs and then stop na ako. Gets ko na yung gagawin ko. Let's see. Get pairs. Then pair that in a push. And I think I'm missing, I'm not understanding some parts here. So lower. Yeah, meron ko hindi naiintindihan dito. So magkakaroon ako ng mga ganitong set. I guess I'll try to read again the concept. I think I'm missing something here. Because I'm kind of confused here. Because there are 3 sets of let's say breaking down the characters. Okay, I think may dito ko blanco eh. Tapos after that, mukhang hindi ko i-merge yung mga pairs na na-produce ko for each this one. So sa lower, mayroon siyang mga sa kanya-kanya set of pairs. Yeah, I think babalidate ko mamaya yung understanding ko. Mukhang may mali ako.